Hello and welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up APN settings on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's set up APN on your Android device. Open the Settings app. Tap SIM cards and mobile networks. Choose your SIM card. Tap Access Point Names. If needed, tap Add New APN. Now enter the required info. Name, as shown in the video. APN, as shown in the video. Leave all other fields as they are. Tap More, then Save. Finally, select the new APN from the list and restart your phone. Your Android internet is now ready. Now, let's do the same on iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Mobile Data, or Cellular, tap Mobile Data Network. This may appear as Cellular Data Network on some iOS versions. Now enter the following: APN, Internet, username, leave blank password, leave blank. After filling in, exit settings and restart your iPhone. That's it. Your internet settings are saved. You've now successfully configured mobile internet on both Android and iPhone. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.